Here I have XIAOMI Mi 9 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So firstly, you have to tap here, then you have to select your preferred language. Let's select English because we want to understand what is written here. Then tap here, and you have to select your region. Tap next. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any opened Wi-Fi network around, you can just skip this step for now and connect to the Wi-Fi anytime later. Then you have to agree with the privacy policy and user agreement. Then you can connect a SIM card, but if you don't have SIM card on you, you can just skip this step for now and connect SIM card later. Then you have Google services. If you want them, just leave them. If you don't want them, disable them right now. But in any case, you will have to accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you can set up a fingerprint or another screen password, but you can also skip this step for now and do this anytime later in settings. Then you have some additional settings, but like location, user experience programs, and diagnostic data, a lot of the useless features. I suggest you disable them all. Then tap next. Then you have to select theme if you want the classic or the limitless one, and setup is complete. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.